Hey beautiful dreamers, it's Nova Rose Video Nerd here, and I'm back from vacation. My hair is a little lighter. That's just because I've been in the water, in the sun, and all of that. By the title, you guys can see that today's video is going to be a first impression on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette and the Anastasia Beverly Hills slash Amrezy highlighter. Let me know if I'm saying that wrong. So I'm going to be trying these two things out. I'm super excited. I got them on the day they launched, which was February 14th, which was Valentine's Day, if you don't know, or you know, the worst day on earth for us single people. No, I'm just kidding. But I was in Jamaica and I still got them. Anyway, don't mind my brows. I'm aware they don't look that great because just, I don't know. It's been a while since I've done them. So we are just going to slide this one out of the box. So here's what the Soft Glam palette looks like out of the box. As you can see, it is kind of a pale, almost like mustard yellow color. And it comes with, as usual, like a mirror, which I like that you can fold these back because it makes it easier to show. And then the, you know, plastic slip. Don't mind the color sultry. I know it looks a bit weird. It arrived broken, as everything apparently, and the brush just fell out and scared me a little bit. So I was able to like just press it back into shape, but here are all the colors. They're beautiful. So we are gonna do a look with that. And when it comes time to the highlighter, I'll show you guys the highlighter. But let's just, you know, get on into the look. So here's the little brush that it comes with. It's pretty standard. It's like they're double-ended. This doesn't feel as soft as the one that came with the Prism palette, but it seems like it's an okay brush. So the thing about the Soft Glam palette, and this was mentioned, there are a couple of shades that are repeated. So I think, if I remember, it's Tempera right here, the white shade, Burnt Orange, Sienna, I think, and then Cypress Umber, and I think that's everything. So to start off with, I'm going to be taking Tempera, and I'm just going to set the foundation on my eye, you know, start that as a base. This is, if I remember correctly, a kind of a white color, but it's got a little bit of a shimmer. So not the best thing to set your eye with, but I mean, the shimmer's not that noticeable. Next up, I'm gonna be taking Orange Soda, which is this pale orange color right here. And I'm gonna just sweep that through my crease as kind of a transition color. Next up, I'm gonna be going in with Sienna right here, which is this kind of darkish orange color. A little bit, that one was a little bit like powdery, like there was a little kick up, but still, you know, not really seeing any fallout. So I just have foundation on right now. I haven't put any concealer on. I haven't put any powder. I will do that like after I finish the like lid makeup. But that's just kind of the way I do things. This is very, very pigmented. The last color I think I'm gonna go in with is Mulberry right here, which is a, you know, it's a burgundy kind of berry color. Just gonna concentrate that on the outer edge of my eye. Try and blend that in, but not bring it like too far. And just kind of switch up brushes. Just kind of, you know, blend everything out and everything together. For the lid color, I think I am going to try and pick up that color Sultry. Just be very gentle with it and just place it on the lids. Yeah, the shimmer colors obviously have a bit, you know, a bit more fallout. As you can, I don't know, kind of see, yeah, a little bit of fallout, but hopefully that can be dusted away. Alright, so that is the lid makeup completed. I'm gonna go off camera and do my eyeliner, mascara, concealer, powder, like contour and all of that, and we will be right back to do the lower lash line, inner corner, and then of course the highlight. Alright, so I'm back with everything done, so we're just going to finish up the lower lash line, and I'm going to take Sienna for that. Just going to sweep that underneath. And for the inner corner, I'm gonna go into Tempera. I'm also just gonna highlight the brow bone. Eyes are all done. Now we can move on to the highlight. And here is what it looks like. It's just black matte packaging. You open it up and it comes with this little own cardboard casing. Super cute. It says Anastasia Beverly Hills, Amrezy on it. Amrezy. I don't know. You push a little button. And here is what it looks like. It is gorgeous. It's got like little waves. I'm gonna like swatch it. Okay, so it's not too creamy. It's a bit of, I guess, like more of a powdery highlight. However, it is really, really pretty, kind of light goldeny. So we are going to, that was really loud. Sorry, loud noise. We are going to try this on the face. So I got my highlighting brush here. And it does have a really nice mirror, which is great. I'm just gonna pick up some, put it on my cheek. Can you see the glow? Because it's there. Don't mind the contour, it's blended. My gosh, ugh. Yeah, I already knew I was gonna love this highlighter. This is like, this is gorgeous, man. Just gonna highlight my nose, Cupid's bow. There you go. All right, so I just finished off the look with the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Catnip. My final thoughts on both of these products, we'll talk about the Soft Glam palette first. It is a gorgeous palette, colors pigmented? Yeah, there you go. You know, blend well. The mattes, I didn't really experience a lot of fallout. However, Sultry was a little fallouty. It did stain a little bit. So I guess I would recommend, you know, doing what I did, which is just putting on foundation first and then doing concealer over it, or if you do your base makeup first, translucent powder underneath the eyes, which is a tip I know a lot of people use, but it is a gorgeous palette, which I will definitely be using probably more in my day-to-day life, so I'm excited to keep playing around with that. As for the highlighter, obviously it's gorgeous. It's a really nice shade for me, especially now that I have gotten a little bit of a tan. This is definitely, this foundation right now that I'm wearing is a little too light. As you can probably tell, it's a little too light, but it matches, like, it actually matches pretty well to my neck. But, you know, definitely this is a great highlighter. I really like this. I'm a highlighter fiend, so I'm looking forward to using this. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Beautiful Dreamer family. I make 2 videos a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Would love it if you would just, you know, come watch if you enjoy my content. My social medias will be listed down in the description box below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Stay beautiful.